Hello students. In my last video I have explained you about Compton effect, and before that we have seen black body radiation and photoelectric effect which support the particle nature of radiation. We have also seen previously in optics the phenomenon of interference, diffraction and polarization which can be explained only when you assume that radiation is in wave nature. Electromagnetic radiation travels in the form of wave with a particular frequency and particular wavelength. Using this, we have explained the phenomenon of interference, diffraction, and polarization, and followed by that, in modern physics, we have read about black body radiation, photoelectric effect, Compton effect, where we have seen that light contains particles called photons, which are massless and which have an energy h nu. Same thing I am repeating here regarding the dual nature of radiation. We have seen in when radiation is instant on an atom, actually the photon strikes the electron. Sometimes the electron absorbs the energy, goes to the higher energy level, and there it is an intermediate phase, an excited phase, where the electron cannot remain for a longer time and it would like to come back to its ground state. While coming back, it releases energy in the form of radiation. Similarly, on absorption of radiation, like in the photoelectric effect, we have seen the photon is absorbed completely by the electron, and it is the electron that comes out in the form of photoelectric current. This is called absorption of radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is assumed to have wave nature for explaining certain phenomenon and particle nature for explaining other phenomena. In particular, during emission, that is the way we have seen with photoelectric effect, where the electrons are emitted by the total absorption of photon. Photon no longer is there, it disappears and the electron comes out. We have to assume that in photoelectric effect, light contains particles, that is particle nature. Radiation, light is nothing but radiation, form of radiation, visible radiation. So in that case, we have assumed that light contains particles, it is particle nature of